I'm replacing the rusted out burners in the barbecue grill out here on the porch. And it turns out that I'm going to have to do some welding to get these new ones installed. I got out the ARCCAPTAIN MIG145PRO. I've got it plugged into the 120 volt house current right out here on the porch. And I've fabricated a bracket to hold these new burners. The bracket is pretty much a piece of flat bar with 3 holes in it. I've got it set into the grill at the right elevation. And with the MIG145PRO and some ARCCAPTAIN 30 thousandths flux core wire, I've put the thing in place, and everywhere I have one of these holes, I made a 2-inch weld. So that's what my bracket looks like inside the grill. Now these burners have this piece of round bar, it looks like, on the end made into the burner that sets down in the hole, and that's what's going to help hold these burners in place. Turn on the gas here and turn on the burners and put fire to them, and they work. Looking good. Now this grill takes these stones, so that's the next thing, is putting those in place right above the burners. Put the grates back in. Another job done for the ARCCAPTAIN MIG145. Handy little weld machine. Hey y'all, CB here. I'm the No BS welder at NBS Welding. I'm coming to you today to tell you about the ARCCAPTAIN and NBS Welding welder giveaway. We're giving away an ARCCAPTAIN MIG145PRO, just like I'm welding on the bottom of this skid steer with right now. I'm going to tell you how to enter to win. You got to comment the word ARCCAPTAIN on this video. Share this video on your social media account. Subscribe to both the NBS Welding and the ARCCAPTAIN YouTube channels. And you'll be entered to win an ARCCAPTAIN MIG145PRO, just like I'm welding with in this video. Great little machine. Runs off 120 volt. I'm running 030 flux core wire on the bottom of this skid steer. And I got a Bluetooth connection with the ARCCAPTAIN app in my phone, so I can adjust my heat while I'm laid down underneath the machine. Don't have to get up and get out of position to turn my machine up and down. Make the adjustment on the machine while I'm staying in position where I'm welding, and I get right back to work.